It's moving day! Woo. Woo. Woo.
Friendly and sleep.
Just behave yourself and make good choices.
Enjoy every minute, meet new friends, just get involved in every activity you could possibly get involved in, and just enjoy these 4 years because they go by quickly.
Work hard, have fun.
Don't forget to ask for help because there are lots of people here who are ready to help.
How long are they doing?
My first piece of advice would be you. Second ones would be that, you know, she's here for her academics, and so she needs to apply herself in the classroom.
The man that he has become up to this point, the decisions that he's made in school so far has led him to where he is right now. And so I hope that he continues to make those same great choices and prosper.
Be safe, make good decisions, and have fun.
Embrace the process.
Okay. Make it to every class and make sure you don't stay up all night so you can make it to every class.
Do everything, try everything, have as many experiences as you possibly can.
I would say just have fun and pay attention to everything that's going on around you.
That's okay, it's okay. It can be anything.
Oh, here, actually, do my husband. That way you can do a guy.
Okay. Hi. We're interviewing parents. If you could leave your kids with like one piece of advice, like really short, what would it be? Good or bad? Warnings or...
I don't know. What were you gonna say?
That's why I had you do it.
I'm so proud.
Oh my goodness. Oh, perfect, perfect.
Be careful of the girls.